Hi, I'm Jennifer Cosgrove with Intero Real Estate, here today to present 2167 Francesco Circle, located in the quaint little town of Capitola, California. One of America's top 10 happiest seaside towns, according to Coastal Living magazine. There's so much to love about Capitola, the beautiful beach where you can walk during low tide and see all kinds of sea life, the restaurants and shops of the village, including Paradise Beach Grill, Margaritaville, Bella Roma, and of course the romantic Shadowbrook restaurant, which is right around the corner from this house. Let's go inside and take a look. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video presentation. Please feel free to give me a call for more information or a private tour. We'll be open this weekend. Hope to see you there. Have a great day.